Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the eraser in Microsoft Paint. So let's go quick into the process. So open your Microsoft Paint. You can simply search for Paint in the search bar and click on that. So here we have this image. Now, how can we use the eraser? So you can find the eraser that's under the pencil and you'll find the eraser. Now click on eraser. And as you can see, you will notice a small square. So that is the eraser. You can also increase the size from here. So let's make it very visible. Now this is the eraser. So if you want to erase some part of that picture, you can simply use the eraser like that, as you can see. So let's erase the whole flower and let's just put it for the background. Let's just make it as a background without the flower. You can simply do that. You can also increase it to the larger size so that you can swipe it with just one swipe. Okay? Now you can also draw. So let me just quickly minimize it. Okay, now let's try to draw. Okay, so you'll find the pencil. Now let's increase the size. And then let's increase this now. Let's try to draw the flower. And if some case you don't like it, you can simply erase it. So simply click on the eraser. You can increase the size from here on the left pane and then simply swipe this. And now just like that. So that's how you can easily use the eraser in Microsoft Paint. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.